Hi, Ken here with another tip. Today we're going to cover activating your Windows keyboard Windows key and doing some keyboard shortcuts. So by default with Siemens software, they deactivate the Windows key, which is the key with the little display of Windows on it. So when you press that key, you can see on the screen that nothing will happen. You can toggle this key's function on and off by using the Tab, Delete, and Send keys. So you use Tab, Delete, and Send. And now when I press the Windows key, I get the Windows Start menu. Now, if I would reboot the machine, this will go back to the default setting, which is the Windows key doesn't work. Another thing is I can do this at will while I have it activated. To deactivate it, I simply turn the Windows menu key off, and I do Tab, Delete, Send again, and now I'm right back to the default setting. So now that our Windows key is activated and we can bring up the Windows Start menu, we can navigate through Windows traditionally by selecting from the Start menu directly or going into the programs that are available. Another option is to use keyboard shortcuts. In this case, let's look at the Windows key D. That brings us to our desktop. So this is a direct shortcut to our desktop if we want to access a library file or a stored computer file. We can usually access it or find it here. Say we want to read an Adobe file and we need to get Adobe Reader up and running, we can do that as well. Another option for us is the Windows key E, which takes us directly to Windows Explorer. To me, this is the biggest benefit because when I plug in an external hard drive or a USB drive, I have no idea what drive letter was assigned by the software. This takes me directly to all of my drive listings. We can see right here my external drive. I can click on it, directly access all my information. If I want to save a backup to an external device, this is by far the quickest and easiest way to do this. Again, we can toggle Windows key off when we're done with our service project or our backup and maintenance, and the techs will have no idea what we were doing. For more information or tips like this, see the description.